Hey y'all, what's going on today? Random Andrew back at Dalewood again. As you've seen by the title of the video, most likely, we're running the King of Shaves, electric King of Shaves, 34-inch Class 1 offshore powerboat, race boat. Is that how you say it all? It's a fancy title, right? But you know, it's been a bit of a work in the process. A bit of a build-up to get this guy ready. We've got some fully charged batteries. We're just gonna have to plug everything in. It's all set up. Hopefully, we don't have a super eventful, but just fun test run. A maiden voyage, if you will. I know it's not the first time, but if it's successful, it'll be the first successful maiden voyage of the electric King of Shaves. One of the drawbacks or dilemmas is we don't have a canoe here today in case something goes wrong, but we don't need it. For this shall be our rescue boat. Yes, the ProBoat SpintJet 9-inch. It's good to go. It's ready to go. And even just if things don't pan out with the King of Shaves, I'm still gonna give this a good rip. And I'm figuring if it fits in here, it might just be enough to give it a push back to shore if we need a rescue boat. Hopefully that's not the case. So I'm gonna get everything all set up. I'm gonna get the head cam on so I don't have to rely too much on this camera. I still might set it up on the tripod though, and we'll see what happens. So let's have at her. Alright, here we go. Straight to the point. Let's hope this goes well. New props, 3D printed. Not good. Oh, those props aren't doing it any good. BMW coming across the bridge, I almost thought, was this thing making that noise? No flipping good at all. I am actually upset, disappointed. It's not good. NFG. See, I'm kicking up lots of water, but just not doing it justice. Well, that's horribly disappointing.
It's not working right?
3D printed props, so they're causing a lot of cavitation and just not doing their job. This is the second attempt to put proper props on it.
Okay. Yeah. So it should be able to fly.
Oh, this should be a ripper. Oh yeah, but I know Jordan suggested before, if this happens, try switching your prop rotation. But out here, it's just not happening. Because then I gotta switch both flex shafts around, which means having to re-Loctite everything in here, which is a good almost 24 hours of waiting for that to dry. Hey, good news is, nothing's hot, nothing's even warm after that, and nothing's wet inside. So, long story short, we're gonna put this away and we're gonna go get the M41 out. Alrighty. One Traxxas M41, courtesy of Eugene. Mr. Eugene H. Alrighty, and we've had an overheating issue with this boat. I'm assuming it's just because it was run on such a hot day, but I mean, that's overheating. Oh yeah, got turned on, right? There we go. Now, the last time I ran this boat, I didn't get to properly run it because the collet, which joins the motor shaft to the flex shaft, come loose. So, It's about ready to run.
Wow, yeah, that one goes lots faster.
Oh yeah.
Wow, nice. Opened up.
Oh yeah, that was full tilt there. It's actually a friend of mine's boat. I had to rebuild some stuff on it for him. It looks like it's going pretty good now though. Bring her in and check on some temperatures, make sure it's all good. Woo! There's full-size boats called Skeeters and MTIs that look a lot like this style. And I think that's why Traxxas modeled it after. And just a side note for the video, I did see water coming out of the coolant port. So the cooling system is working good. The rooster tail, I love it.
You're not going to duplicate, get some best.
I'm trying to make sure I'm not running it on full throttle all the time because then it'll heat up real fast. Right? This is like running around in the car at full throttle.
It wasn't me, okay?
Pre-pandemic days.
Well, I smoke weed once in a while.
Sometimes
Oh! Yeah, I guess we hit a low voltage there.
one time daily, it's
Oh!
I guess it's waterproof.
It just skips along the top. Fine if I'm not full throttle, it won't porpoise like that. But it still does it. Oh, we're down to low power mode. It didn't take very long. I love it. Yeah, I think they only ever intended on these things to be in a pool, but well, sorry guys, it wasn't a glorious video for the King of Shaves today. That day is still yet to come. We will get the proper propellers on there. But for now, oh, look at that, Eugene. We took on a little water somehow today. I don't know where that's coming from, but it ran great. Oh, I see where the water comes from. It come right up the prop shaft. Look at that. Anyhow, it ran great. The water system, coolant system's working. I did see water coming out of here. There's water in the line still. Things are warm, but as you can tell, my finger's right on the motor and I don't have to pull it away, so it's not that hot. Same with the ESC, buddy, just don't run it on a hot day and I think you're good to go. It's a fun boat. It is a M41 by Traxxas. Is a fun boat, and that's why I had to get the footage for you guys today. So it's pretty good, pretty good run today. I did lose the clip. It's down in there somewhere. Not a biggie. I'm gonna pack this all up. Good little run with the SpintJet, although it just does nothing but hop. It's like a little stunt boat now. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video out here at Dalewood. Not the sunniest of days, but it's a cool day. That's why it makes it enjoyable. I'm not sweating my butt off being out here. So thanks for watching, guys. Short video, distracted video, but we're here. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Bye.